Good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing perfectly great. Okay students, this is our chapter The Ant and the Dove. Today we will do the exercise of this chapter. We have done the reading and also watched the pictures of the story, and we have also done question number 1 and 2. Today we will do question number 3, 4 and 5. Students, what is the day today? Today is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. Okay, revise the spelling of Wednesday. Wednesday, day, Wednesday. Revise the spelling of January. January, January 2021. What is the weather like today? It's sunny and cloudy weather outside. And students, do you know it is a winter season and it's very cold outside. So you all have to stay at home. Wear woolen clothes to protect yourself from the cold. Otherwise, you can fall ill. So today the topic is the ant and the dove. This is a story about an insect, ant, and the bird, dove. They both each other for saving their lives. Ant went for the river for the nice and cold drink. While drinking the water, the ant swept away and cried for the help, swept away in the water because it was a roaring river. So students, here question number 3 is, who saved the ant? As I have told you that the story is about the ant and the dove. So when ant fall into the water, who saved the ant? The dove. The dove dropped the leaf into the water and climbed onto it, and the ant was saved. Students, you will write here the answer. A dove saved the ant. Question number 4. How was the ant saved? You know, how was the ant saved? Okay, let's see the picture. Students, here we can see that ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. So, what is the answer? How was the ant saved? Ant climbed onto the leaf. Question number 5. Where was the dove perched? Students, do you know what is the meaning of perched? When birds are sitting on the tree, they are perching. Okay, look at the picture. The question was, where was the dove perched? Dove was perched on the branch of a tree. You can see in the picture there is a white dove and it was sitting on a branch of a tree. So question is, where was the dove perched? The dove was perched on the branch of a tree. Students, you have already done these question answers on your English literature copies. So first of all, you will revise these questions from your previous work, and after revising this, you will write these questions and answers in your English literature copies. Let's come towards the copy work. Okay students, this is your English literature work. This work will be done on your English literature notebooks. Take it out, hurry up. Firstly, you will write date, Wednesday, Wednesday, day, Wednesday, comma, 20th January, 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 comma, 2021. What's the topic today? Today the topic is the ant and the dove. Exercise, answer these questions. Question number 3. Who saved the ant? As I have told you that this work is also done before on your copies, so you can revise from there also, and I am also telling you the answer. The answer is, who saved the ant? The dove saved the ant. Question number 4. How was the ant saved? Our answer is, ant climbed onto the leaf. Question number 5. Where was the dove perched? Do you know, students, what is dove? Dove is a bird and it has white color, and perched mean when birds are sitting on a tree, so it means they are perching. So where was the dove perched? Answer will be, the dove was perched on the branch of a tree. Students, you have to do your work in a very neat writing, and first of all you have to sharpen the pencil and send me the pictures of your work. Thank you.